Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will learn some English sentences on body lotion. So here are 20 to 25 regular use basic English sentences. It's a very interesting and learning video. So let's start. First, 5 sentences on personal care. We should apply body lotion every day. We should apply body lotion every day. Next, body lotion is good for dry skin. Body lotion is good for dry skin. We should always carry a small bottle of lotion in our bag. We should always carry a small bottle of lotion in our bag. Using lotion keeps our skin soft and smooth. Using lotion keeps our skin soft and smooth. Non-greasy lotions are perfect for everyday use. Non-greasy lotions are perfect for everyday use. Shopping. How much does this lotion cost? How much does this lotion cost? Can I get a discount on this product? Can I get a discount on this product? This product is available in different sizes. This product is available in different sizes. We can buy body lotion in online. We can buy body lotion in online. The seller rating of body lotions are 4.1 stars. The seller rating is body lotions are 4.1 stars. Weather and skincare. Our skin gets very dry in winter. Our skin gets very dry in winter. We need a good moisturize during cold weather. We need a good moisturize during cold weather. Lightweight lotion work well in summer. Lightweight lotion work well in summer. It is important to protect our skin every season. It is important to protect our skin every season. Everyday conversation. Do you have any lotion with you? Do you have any lotion with you? Please recommended a good body lotion. Please recommended a good body lotion. Have you ever used this brand before? Have you ever used this brand before? I prefer lotions with a mild fragrance. I prefer lotions with a mild fragrance. We should use that body lotion which absorb quickly into skin. We should use that body lotion which absorb quickly into skin. Few advice. After washing dishes, we should use lotion to moisturize our hands. After washing dishes, we should use lotion to moisturize our hands. Keep the lotion on the bathroom shelf. Keep the lotion on the bathroom shelf. I always keep lotion in my office drawer. I always keep lotion in my office drawer. A small bottle of lotion is perfect for travel. A small bottle of lotion is perfect for travel. You can buy any body lotion at any supermarket. You can buy any body lotion at any supermarket. Thanks for watching. Please like this video.